What is up, guys? It's your man Jay Will. So I got another video for you, and it's the Ringke car mount. Yeah, Ringke is doing car mounts and wireless charges, and they're venturing off into a whole bunch of different things. But I decided to go ahead and come down to one of the vehicles, and I'll probably use it in this car. This is the Ringke Monster car mount, and it's supposed to have all this very nice articulating arm. So I'm gonna pop it up and put it up on the windshield here, and we're gonna see how this thing actually does. So I know this is a different format for my videos, but I decided to just come outside and just go ahead and do the unboxing right here and show you what, because this is where the item is going to be used anyway. So let's get it open here. I know. Whoa. This actually comes packaged very well. It's all in one piece. In the packaging here, you get two little wipes. That's pretty much it. And then you get the actual mount itself. Wow, this is a monster. So it's got a little thing here to cover the suction. And yeah, this is definitely a different look at this articulating arm. This is going to be a monster, I can tell. You should be able to, oh man, you can probably hold a tablet with this thing. You can hold a 7-inch tablet with this thing. Wow. So yeah, this is going to be very, very, very different. So unlocking it there, you actually have to push these and you can move it. And this thing is a monster. So it's actually going to go, wow, this is a different approach, and actually a better approach to car mounts, because this thing goes every which way. Because a lot of us, I know exactly how I'm going to do this. A lot of us have troubles in the car with getting that right position for the car mount. And this right here aims to solve that. And I think that as long as this can stay mounted, this is a win-win. I mean, look at how much it articulates up and down. This is very sticky right here. So wherever I put it, that's where it's going to have to go. But it did come with this part right here covering it up. It just kind of popped off as I put it in the car. So the wet wipes are if your windows are really dirty, or the spot that you're going to put it on is really dirty, you want to put it there. So this is probably just going to sit in this corner of my windshield down here on the driver's side. You probably could put this anywhere with this articulating arm. This is really, really nice. Wow. And this definitely will be the car mount for this car. I mean, this thing articulates every which way, and I can actually put a tablet in here. So I'm actually pretty excited about that, because I'm excited because I have some pretty big phones. So this is a huge plus. This is a plus. So the mount is going to go like this over here in the corner. So I'm going to go ahead and mount this up, and I'll show you how I have it put in there. And let's keep this ball rolling. Okay, wanted to give you a shot of it from the back side. This is how it is mounted currently. And it's mounted to the windshield, you can see right there. And then you can see the articulating arm portion right here. And you get a sense of how strong this thing is. And I'm really going to test this out and do some car vlogs for you. But this is the rear side of how I had it mounted up. You can actually twist it and it'll go straight vertical and portrait. I got it positioned perfectly. Now here is another angle of how it's actually positioned here. You can see how the arm is very long, so it works perfectly fine for this car. Now, I could move it over this way some, or I could keep it this way some, but I probably would do some videos. So if I'm going to do some videos, I want it to kind of rest on here to help support it. So just in case there's a lot of wobble or anything like that, but there's lots of clearance down here when I turn in this orientation. And it's just going to be an awesome mount, I can tell. And this is the Galaxy S8, so if you're wondering how the Galaxy S8 will look, or some of your other favorite devices, this definitely can fit the Galaxy Note and some of the other tablets and things that I have, smaller tablets. But I would suggest if you're going to put bigger devices on it, you might want to move it forward some. But this is how I have it currently mounted. So shout out to Ringke for such a great articulating arm. This way it can actually move in several different positions. All right, guys, so there you have it. Ringke has actually produced a fantastic arm. And keep in mind, you guys know I've reviewed a lot of car mounts. And, you know, I got to admit, this is definitely the best one that I've gotten in a long time. Car mounts come a dime a dozen. You can get them at all kind of cheap prices. But are they good? And I think this car mount that I've got from Ringke, the Monster car mount, it's the articulating arm and the locking joints that make this one a win-win for me. So this one gets a seal of approval from your man Jay Will. I have leave the link in the description for this one. Definitely want to grab this one if you're a car person, if you do a lot of traveling, or you do car vlogs. And I want to recommend this one to my Project 13. He does a lot of car vlogs, and he has that shaky cam going on sometimes. Sorry, brother. But you need to invest in the Ringke Monster car mount. I'm telling you, this is a fantastic car mount. So I'll see you guys in the next video. It's your man Jay Will. Take care.